Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. So let me show you here. When you go to iMessage and try to turn on iMessage, it's showing that iMessage waiting for activation. Let me show you here guys. When you turned on iMessage, it's showing that like this iMessage waiting for activation. So you have to close this page if you want to fix this type of error. So first of all you have to go to settings, and first of all you have to make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. Okay guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply have to go to Wi-Fi, turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it on. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page, and after that you have to go to settings. Now from here you have to tap on general. Now from here you have to make sure that your date and time is correct, and you have also set that time zone is correct. From here you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Now after that guys, you have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Okay guys, now after that you have to close this page. Now open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that you don't have any pending software update here. If you have, just simply you have to update your device to the latest version. And after that you have to open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Now you have to reset your network setting and force restart your device, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.